Hi, I'm Todd Cook. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of Polymer E-Club's Ask the Cook. We're here to talk about polymers and polymer application to help you answer the question, what do you need to know to add polymer skills to your career? Today on Ask the Cook, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about amorphous polymers. I've got two episodes in mind. This first one for polystyrene. Polystyrene, as the name implies, is a polymer made from styrene, which is two carbons with a benzyl ring substituted on the second carbon. This big, floppy, relatively flat ring prevents chain folding in general. And so polystyrene is what we would call an amorphous polymer. It doesn't have any particular order, and it expresses a glass transition temperature, this very broad melting behavior that occurs over a large range of temperature. Centered somewhere around 105 degrees C. This is a material that's everywhere, and I literally mean everywhere. The famous red Solo cup, most coffee cups, especially the commercial ones that are used in catering and so forth, are made from polystyrene. The red Solo cup, a thermoformed part, very high molecular weight and a thin wall and a very fast cycle, so it's quite inexpensive. And as you know from seeing them, bright colors are very possible, and the part is quite shiny. The foam side, polystyrene foam, is everywhere. It's used as an insulator in all kinds of different applications. And that material is also a very broad molecular weight range, because foams are better when they are broad molecular weight. Some light materials, some medium, some heavy in terms of molecular weight. Mixed together makes a better foam. A more uniform expansion, better cell control, those kinds of things. So polystyrene does both of those things. So you can see it in injection molding, you can see it in thermoforming, and it decorates well. It's quite inexpensive. Interestingly, the raw material that is used to manufacture it is similar to the raw materials of other polymers, but because the volumes for polystyrene are so large, it's the least expensive of the amorphous polymers and the easiest to process. And so it's ubiquitous. You just see it in tons of different things. And that's why I like to talk about that particular commodity plastic, polystyrene, because of its importance in terms of the number of different applications in which it serves. So knowing that polystyrene is an amorphous polymer, exhibits a TG, and is used in a myriad applications in things like thermoforming and injection molding, well, that's working knowledge. That's the kind of information we share with you here at Polymer E-Club Ask the Cook. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and even share if you appreciate our content. Our purpose here at Polymer E-Club is to provide a pathway to learning about polymers and bringing polymer know-how into your life. And we have several mechanisms for doing that. If you check out our website at polymereclub.com, you can see more about that. And remember that Polymer E-Club is here to help you learn about polymers. If that's what you're desiring to do, we'd love to be able to help you. I'm Todd Cook for Polymer E-Club Ask the Cook. Thanks again for watching.